An organization published pamphlets of different lengths. The scatter plot shows the relationship between the number of pages and the word count of each pamphlet. Based on the data, which is the best prediction of the word count for a 10-page pamphlet? So I see that pages are my x-axis and words are my y-axis. So I want to come over to where x is equal to 10. And what I need to figure out is what would be my y value when x is equal to 10. So I'm going to take my patty paper. I've just drawn a straight line on it. You can draw a line using reference materials. And I'm going to place it on my graph. And I want about half the points below and half the points above, such that the distance between the points and the line is minimized. That looks pretty good right there. All right, so now I want to know what would be my y value when x is equal to 10. So that would be right about here, right? And so if I was going to count up, I'm going to have to estimate because this is off the chart, right? So this is 2,000, this is 2,200. This would be maybe 2,400 or a little bit higher than that. Because if this is 2,200, this is going to be about 2,000 more than that. So I'm going to guess 2,400, which is an answer choice. 2,700 would be too high. We could also do this with our little graph paper right here. We just need to remember to make it fully transparent. We need to add a point at the top and a point at the bottom and then connect the line between those 2 points. Okay, so the only thing about this is that my line is a little bit too short. Let me restart that and see if I can make it a little bit better. I'm just going to add a point, see if I can make this a little longer. There we go. And then connect that, because really I want it to go off the graph, right? That's pretty good. And so then 10 is going to be, yeah, I could get 2,000, this is 2,000, 2,200, 2,400, right about there. I just had to be very careful to stretch it all the way across. So if you're using your patty paper, you just place it on top and then look for that point of intersection right there. Or you can change the settings on this to be transparent, place 2 dots, connect the 2 dots, and then adjust the dots and move the paper to fit what you need.